In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view purchase history on Steam 2026, step by step. If you've ever needed a quick receipt, wanted to track your spending, or planned a refund, knowing exactly where to find your Steam purchase history is essential. I'll walk you through it clearly using the same simple path whether you're on the Steam desktop app or using a web browser. Start by opening Steam. You can launch the desktop app or head to Steam's website in your browser. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If SteamGuard asks for a code, just complete that prompt. A quick tip here: make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you've used more than one over the years, because purchase history is tied to the account that actually made the transaction. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name. Click it to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Account Details. This takes you to your account management area, where Steam keeps all your billing and subscription settings organized in one place. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you clicked your profile name and not your profile, avatar, or library tab. Account Details is specifically in the profile menu. On the account details page, find and click View Purchase History. This opens a chronological ledger of everything your account has paid for on Steam. You'll now see a list of all purchases along with the dates, the amounts spent, and the payment methods used. Wallet top-ups, game purchases, downloadable content, subscriptions, and even refunds or chargebacks will appear here. If an item was a gift, it's usually labeled accordingly. Pre-orders, canceled transactions, and refunded items also show up, often with negative or zeroed amounts, so you can track exactly what happened. You can click any line item to open a detailed receipt. That view typically shows the product name, price breakdowns like tax or regional pricing, the payment method used, and any wallet credits applied. If you're trying to locate a specific game in a long history, search the page using your browser's find tool by typing the game's name or scan by date if you remember roughly when you bought it. That's all there is to it. Open Steam and sign in, click your profile name and head to Account Details, then choose View Purchase History to see every transaction tied to your account. Keep this page bookmarked if you refer to receipts often, and you'll always have a clear snapshot of your spending at your fingertips.